first what I eat in a day video. I mix it all together. Dutch people will know it. It's called BRINTA. Yummy. Hey guys, welcome to my first what I eat in a day video. I decided to do this one in English because there's so many people asking me about what I eat in a day, so I thought it would be easier to do it in English so everybody will understand. First of all, I'm not following any diet at the moment. I'm actually trying to gain some weight, but I'm not counting my calories. I have a healthy lifestyle, and yeah, this is just my what I eat in a day at the moment. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day, and it's very hard to find good granola here in Ibiza, so I decided to make my own because it always comes with so much sugar and we don't want that. These are the ingredients I'm gonna use. I have two types of oats, big and small flakes. Then I have all types of nuts, so walnuts, cashew nuts. These are pumpkin seeds, pecan nuts and almonds. Then I have some honey. This is cinnamon, and this is a very Dutch spice called speculaas. Really good, but very rare to find anywhere else than in Holland. And this is just olive oil. Then I'm heating the oven at like 180. All we need is the ingredients and a bowl, a spoon, and some baking paper. In my previous video I showed you my morning routine, but this was all in Dutch, so I will quickly tell you what I do in the morning. First of all, I drink 1 glass of water, and then I make either a tea with hot lemon, ginger and honey, or I make fresh celery juice with a slow juicer, but that is a lot of work, so I always choose what I'm gonna make depending the time that I have. It's actually so easy to make your own granola. All you have to do is mix all the ingredients in the right amount, and then you put it in the oven. So I'm gonna mix it up right now. 200 grams of the big flakes. I have 4 different types of nuts, and I'm gonna mix them all together until I have 200 grams. And then I'm gonna crunch them so we have smaller pieces. You can see I mixed it all together. So there's 2 ways to do this. You can either put it all in a towel and then smash it with a hammer, which I'm not gonna do because we just bought this new machine and I wanna try it out. So I'm gonna put this all in here. Oopsie. Alright, moment of the truth. That actually looks nice. We're gonna add this to the bowl. Whee! Pumpkin seeds. Apparently I ate way too much, so I have to do it 2 times. This is the first one. And all you have to do is wait 20 minutes and it's done. Halfway you have to turn around. It's already getting crispy. It's ready. I've put the granola in a bowl so it can cool down. And meanwhile, I'm gonna show you another recipe which I also use as a breakfast or sometimes as a lunch. Dutch people will know it. It's called BRINTA. I'm really addicted to it. It's actually the same as an oatmeal, but the flakes are so fine that, I don't know, the taste is better. It's a little bit for babies, but I love it. For this recipe, you need oat milk, I always take Pink Ladies because I think the flavor is just the best. BRINTA or just oats. Agave. These are raisins, blueberries, and vegan peanut butter. I always switch up the ingredients based on what I feel like that day. So sometimes I use a banana instead of an apple, or other types of berries. I usually never really weigh the ingredients, but I'm gonna do it for you right now. I just do everything based on what I feel like is good. Putting that in the microwave. Then I put the BRINTA. And now all you have to do is put all the ingredients on top of the oats, and then you're done. Really easy, really fast. In the end, I added a little bit of cinnamon again. It's like one of my favorite things in the world. And yeah, you can also use some agave, but this time I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna eat it like that. The granola is ready, and I can use it for so many different things. But right now I'm gonna make yogurt. I also love to use it in a smoothie bowl, or you can even use it with milk, almond milk, whatever you prefer. So this one is really easy. Sometimes I use it as a breakfast, and sometimes I use it as a post-workout meal because it's really easy to mix it up with some egg whites and some strawberries or any type of berries. Sometimes I use a banana. It's just, again, what I feel like that day. I would only suggest to do this with really fine protein powder. I use the one from Clean Nutrition, vanilla flavor. It's my favorite, and it's really fine, so it's easy to mix it. So that's like 30 grams of granola, and the rest is strawberry. When I feel like I want to snack or I feel like sugar, I always eat dates. I'm kind of addicted to dates. I eat them every day. And they say it's good to eat 3 to 5 dates in a day. When we were in Mexico, we bought dates in a local store. And sometimes there were like little bugs in it. So I'm a little bit paranoid. But since I came to Ibiza, that didn't happen again. And I found the most fresh and tastiest dates ever. They're so juicy, and they only sell them, well, these type of dates at Eroski, and they are like 7 euros. It's pretty expensive, but they are the best dates ever. When I looked it up, I couldn't believe it was actually so healthy because the taste is so sugary, but it's all natural. So it's only 200 calories. It has 5 grams of fiber, protein, no fat, and it also includes a lot of vitamins, calcium, iron, magnesium, even zinc. Just cut it open, you take out the pit, and here you go. You can just eat it like that. Yummy. The last meal I'm gonna make for dinner is gonna be a stuffed sweet potato with vegetables. I forgot to tell you that when I'm at home and I cook all day, then I only eat vegetarian. I'm not vegetarian, but I try to eat as less meat as possible. So we never buy it. Sometimes we order it in restaurants, but we really try to eat less meat. So what do we need? I have 2 big sweet potatoes, beamies, which is similar to broccoli but a little bit different. I think they're more crunchy. Then cherry tomatoes, cucumber, some corn. I wanted to say maize, but it's corn. And then I have some veggie burgers made out of spinach or broccoli. Which one is this? Oh yeah, spinach. And the sauces are tzatziki, and of course I can't live without sambal. First step is to wash the potatoes. Then I dry them. So first you put the sweet potatoes in the oven, and if they are small you can do 180 degrees and like 50 minutes. But if they are big and fat like this one, then it's better to put it a little bit higher and longer. So I put it between 190 and 200 degrees for like 55 to 60 minutes. The rest is so easy. So I always wait until like 10 minutes before they are finished, and then I continue preparing the rest of the food. So all you have to do now is cut the beamies, and then you only have to fry them for 4 minutes. And those little burgers are also done in 6 minutes. So I'm just gonna cut the cherries and the cucumber. I totally forgot to mention that I drink 1 cappuccino with oat milk almost every day. And I'm pretty spoiled when it comes to coffee, because I only like it like fresh from Passion or like a good barista bar. We have a coffee machine here from Nespresso with the cups, even from Starbucks, but I don't know, it's just different. By the way, while I'm waiting for my potatoes, I just downloaded this app called Food. You also have this app called MyFitnessPal, where you can track all the food that you eat in a day. So I just made a list of all the dishes because I'm just curious how many calories it is, and then I can also show you guys how many calories, how many proteins, how many fats there are in all the dishes. Yeah. At the beginning of this video, I told you that I'm not counting any calories, and the reason why is because we go out for lunch or for dinner so often, and it's so hard to keep up with this app. But then I thought like it might be useful for you and also for me to see how many calories I actually take in a day when I'm at home. So when we work from home, I do eat here all the time, and this is usually what I make. The first 2 recipes are actually more breakfast to me. Sometimes I do it for lunch, but most of the times I actually make like a salad of quinoa with vegetables and hummus. But today I did it like this. When you start using this app, it's asking you some information. So my height is 173 and my weight is 60 kilos. And then how many hours you sleep, what type of work you do. And I want to gain some weight. Yeah, so this is what I should eat in a day. 2,557 calories. So this is my meal plan of the day. And as you can see, I'm like 314 calories short. But I think this is a reasonable amount of calories. I didn't work out today, so yeah. Here you can also see the carbs, the protein and the fats. And I didn't eat enough protein today. I should eat around 135 and 183. And I only ate 79, so I should really add some protein. That's good to know because I need more protein. Now I'm preparing the beans. I'm ready. So excited about this meal. I'm going to eat it now, and of course I'm going to use a little bit of sambal. For people who don't know what it is, it's like mashed peppers, spicy. And yeah, and I don't think we have a dessert today. It's pretty late already.
Nee!
Okay, and now we're gonna eat and watch Breaking Bad. Alright, that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments and let me know what you think about this video. And don't forget to subscribe so you get a notification for the next video. And also, I really wanted to ask you guys if I should continue in English or continue in Dutch. Engels of Nederlands? Zeg het maar, jongens. Let me know in the comments.